How to see private account photos on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device, and as you do that, search for Instagram. Make sure you have an updated version of the Instagram application on your device. So as you can see, there's an update available. So you can just tap on update and start updating the application on our device. Now make sure you have the stable Wi-Fi connection to get the app updated to your device. Now as you do that, tap on the Instagram application yet again. So as you launch the Instagram application, make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the magnifying glass and tap on the search bar and search for a profile. Now as you can see, this account is private over here. As you can see, we cannot see anything about the photos and videos. Now if you want to see the private account photos, simply you have to tap on follow and send the request over there. So when you request, if they accept, then you'll be able to see their account photos on Instagram. If not, then you'll not be able to see their account photos on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.